Yes, Sat Shri Akal students. So today we will discuss exercise 13.4, class 9th mathematics. Now, before we start quickly, let's find out what are the formulas related to sphere and hemisphere. So students, first of all comes the surface area of sphere. Yes, sir, Gunkar? Surface area, surface area of sphere is the area of circle is pi r square. And remember, students, a sphere having radius r, total surface area is 4 times the area of circle, 4 pi r square. The volume of sphere, yes, Monroe's car, 4 by 3 pi r cube, pi r cube. Okay? 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of the sphere. Very right. Now comes the volume of hemisphere. Yes, Adi? What is the volume of hemisphere? Yes. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Simply, the volume of hemisphere is half the volume of sphere. Am I right? The volume of hemisphere is half the volume of sphere. Okay. This is the hemisphere, students. And if you want to calculate the surface area of the sphere, surface area of the hemisphere, sorry. So, students, surface area of hemisphere, which is solid. So when there is a hemisphere, another surface on the bottom is also created, as I have explained in the last video. So surface area of hemisphere will be, yes, tell me, what is surface area of solid hemisphere? Correct. So that is 3 pi r square. Very right. Very right. This is the surface area of, uh, you know, uh, a solid hemisphere. Okay. And suppose it is a students, it's a hollow hemispherical shell. This is one sphere. Inside there is another sphere of some thickness, let's say T thickness. And if we want to find out how much is the volume of the material of the shell. If you want to calculate how much is the volume, see this space is hollow. There's air in this or vacuum in this. So we want to find out the volume of this material used to make this hollow spherical shell. So that volume would be equal to, yes, Argun? 4 by 3 pi bracket r o cube minus r I cube. There, students, very simple. R O is outer radius, R I is the inner radius. Very right. Okay. And somebody wants to calculate how much is the capacity of this hollow hemisphere. Then it will be 4 by 3 pi r I cube. Means if somebody wants to know that, let's say there's a hole in this, from this hole, how much water I can put in this hollow hemisphere. So it will be the volume of inner hemisphere. After knowing all these, formulae, students, let us solve all these sums. Okay, let's try to complete the exercise. I will not do very small calculation. I will give you the guidance, solve the sum till 70%, then leave it to you. So every student has to complete this exercise today and write down the answers in the comment section. First question. Find the surface area of the sphere of radius 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so surface area of sphere. It's written surface area of sphere is, yes, Adi? 4 pi r square. So surface area would be 4 into pi. We can roughly take as 22 by 7 into what is the r? First is 10.5 square. Right? We can write like this. So it will be 4 into 22 by 7 into 10.5. Square means 10.5 multiplied by 2 times. Right? Okay. So this will be, since it is centimeter, so what is the unit of area? Centimeter square. Okay, very good. So this will be 7 1 the 7, 7 1 the 7, 3, 7 5 the 35. So simply students, multiply 88 with 1.5 with 10.5. So you will get whatever is the answer. You will get the answer surface area. Similarly, now in the second question, instead of 10.5, you will put 5.6 centimeter, and then you will put 14 centimeter. All are the radius. So obviously, you will do 14. If it was diameter, students, then we would have divided diameter by 2 to get the radius. So first question, 3 parts are over. Now, students, let's do the second question. So what is second question? Find the surface area of the sphere of diameter. So see, now diameter is given. So diameter is 14 centimeters. So Adi, what will be the radius? Diameter is 14 centimeter of the some sphere. So what will be the radius? So radius, diameter is 14 centimeter. What will be radius? Yes, Amrit? It will be half. Half of this, it will be 7 centimeter. Please write down. Okay. So simply you do the same formula. Surface area would be 4 pi r square. Use this formula. Put r is equal to 7 centimeter. Then here put r is equal to how much? 21 centimeter is the diameter in second sum. So what will be the r? 21 divided by 2. Now better don't divide, because it will easily get 21 will easily get cut with 7, right? So when this is the radius, so better you calculate like this. Surface area would be 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. So 22, 21 by 2, 21 by 2. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 22. 2 will cancel with 4. So it will be very simple. 66 into 21 centimeter cube will be the answer, right? So here also 3.5 is a diameter. So what will be radius? 3.5 divided by 2. That means 3.5 divided by 2. So don't cut this. Again, don't do the mistake. Don't cut this. Simply put like this only radius, you will get the surface area. Okay, students, let's do the third sum. So what is the third sum, students? In the third sum, we have, yeah, third sum, find total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Okay, so it's a hemisphere. We want to find total surface area. Now, why he said total surface area? Because students, you just see, you just see that, very interesting. The hemisphere is now like this. This is the bottom circle of the hemisphere, and this is the, top area of the hemisphere. It's like this, right, students? It's like this. This is the hemisphere. This is the hemisphere, right? This is the hemisphere. So this is the bottom circle of the hemisphere. Bottom circle also has an area pi r square. Half of hemisphere. This curved surface area would be 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square. That's why it says total surface area will be 3 pi r square in case of hemisphere. Hemisphere means other sphere. Hemi matlab other sphere. Okay, but this area will be added. That is pi r square, right? So now simply radius is 10. So what will be the area? 3 into, yes, please speak. What is the value for pi? 22 by 7 into what is radius? Radius is 10. So it will be 10 into 10. Right, Pranav? R square is 10 into 10.
Yes, sir.
Simply, you just multiply 22 by 7 by 3 and simply multiply by 100. You will get the answer. I'm not doing calculation. Please do the calculations, and it will be a good practice for you, and write down this. Okay, but one thing is there. He has asked to use pi at 3.14. So better you do like this: 3 into 3.14 into 100. Right? So that will be very simple. 3 4s are 12. 1, 3 plus 3 plus 1, 4. 3 3s are 9 into 100, right? So I think the answer will be 942 centimeter square. Am I right, students? This is the answer for your third sum. Now comes the fourth sum. Okay, so students, when we want to do the fourth sum, in the fourth sum, it is the Spherical balloon. Fourth sum, it is the spherical balloon. Okay. Okay, it is a spherical balloon. So spherical balloon is like this. All right, students. Now this is spherical balloon. It says radius of spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. Means R is increasing from 7 to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Obviously, this will be the balloon when air is less. When air will be more, the balloon will be more. So radius will increase. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon in two cases, right? So let us say first R1 is equal to 7 centimeter. Then what is this? Let's say this is R2, this is R1, right? So Adi, what is R2? 14 R2 is 14 centimeter, right? So now we want to find out the ratio of surface area. Ratio of surface area. Students remember, and now he has not told whether ratio of first is to second. He has also not told ratio of second into first. So if you find this ratio or this ratio, both will be correct. But remember, if he tells कि पहले की रेशियो दूसरे के साथ क्या होगी, देन सपोज आप दूसरे की रेशियो पहले के साथ फाइंड आउट कर ले, वो आंसर आपका गलत हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना? बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली पहले का सरफेस एरिया दूसरे के सरफेस एरिया से या शादी कम होगा कि ज्यादा? पहले का रेडियस 7 सेंटीमीटर है, दूसरे स्फेरिकल स्फीयर का रेडियस 14 सेंटीमीटर है, विच विल बी मोर? 14 centimeter sphere will be more. So very simple, students, how we can do the question. Now it's very simple, not difficult. Surface area, spherical balloon, surface area of 1 divided by surface area of 2. Don't do any calculation. Surface area 1, yeah, what is the formula for surface area of sphere? 4 pi. 4 pi? 4 by 3. 4 pi r square, right? Surface area is 4 pi r square, right, students? So we are doing here teaching at the same line, teaching as well as chemical treating. Treating and teaching both are going side by side. पूरा तो नहीं लगा? Good. आधी है ना? आधी को मार खाने की आधी. So 4 pi r1 square divided by 4 pi r2 square. 4 pi will cancel with 4 pi, right, Adi? Now बचे 4 pi calculation अपन नहीं करनी है. So it's simply R1 by R2 square. So R1 is 7 divided by 14 whole square. And don't do 7 squares. First cut it. 7 1 the 7, 7 to the square, it will be 1 by 4. So surface area of 1 is to surface area of bigger balloon. You can see surface area of smaller balloon, surface area of bigger balloon will be equal to 1 is to 4. Students, you can also write surface area of 2 is to surface area of 1 is equal to, yes, surface area of 2 is to surface area of 1 is equal to 4 is to 1. Good, very good. 4 is to 1. Wow, that's a great answer. So all the 4 sums are done, right, students? Now let us do more. Okay, great. Yeah, 1 minute, students. Now we will do more sum. More means more sums. All right. So now we have fifth sum. All right, students. Here we are able to do fifth sum. Okay. Yeah. So fifth sum is again hemispherical bowl. So hemispherical bowl, better to draw. I will suggest you, students, if you want to master this subject, better draw the figure always, and if possible colored figures like this. All right, you will be happy. You'll be a happy father and you'll be a happy mother also if you're a girl. Okay, so now we will draw the hemisphere. So this is the hemisphere. Okay, I'm sorry, this is drawn wrongly. So this is the hemisphere, students. Okay, not drawn perfectly. Now it's drawn somewhat. Okay, so this is the hemisphere, right? I'm sorry, I'm not able to draw it properly. So this is the hemisphere. The hemispherical bowl made up of brass has an inner diameter of Inner diameter. Okay. Hemispherical bowl of brass has an inner diameter. So what is inner diameter, students? Inner diameter is this diameter. Why it says inner diameter? Because this will be some thickness. This will be some thickness of the bowl also. Try to understand this. So that's why it will have inner surface area and outer surface area. Just try to understand this, right? This hemispherical bowl will be having inner surface area and outer surface area depending upon its thickness, right? So this is the inner surface. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's very thick. This is the inner surface area, students. Just 1 minute. I'll draw with the arrow. This is inner surface area. And now I will draw the outer surface area. This is the this is the outer surface area, right? And outer radius minus inner radius will be the thickness of the hemispherical bowl. And this is hollow. Hemispherical bowl, this is cost of painting it in on inside. The cost of painting inside. We can paint the inside of a bowl.
We cannot find it.
Yeah, we did not find thickness. Okay, I'm just telling the students that thickness will be there.
Yes.
But now, only if this ball is hollow. Remember, students, only if this ball is hollow, then only we are able to paint from inside. If it is a solid hemispherical ball, we cannot enter inside. In fact, this red colored surface will also be not be generated.
Yes.
So this surface I must draw like this. Just give me 1 minute, students. Correct, students. God has helped us. So you see that this will be the actual picture of this. Why I have drawn this? If I draw shaded circle means it's a solid hemisphere. This circle means only periphery, only circumference of the circle is there. Inside, I can put my hand inside. Right? This is a hollow hemisphere with thickness T. This is the thickness. Here thickness is not used. But suppose thickness is given, you can write thickness is equal to RO minus RI. Right? Here thickness is not important. Only internal radius is given, that is 10.5 centimeter. Right? We want to find the cost of tin plating it from inside at the ratio of, I think, rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So 100 centimeter square cost is rupees 16. Once we know the surface area, we will simply multiply this 16 by 100 into that surface area. So we want to find the inner surface area. Inner surface area. Yes. So surface area. Yes, students. Anyone can tell me what will be the inner surface area of
Yes.
this hollow hemisphere? Yes.
2 pi r radius I square.
Correct. So inner surface area would be 2 pi. You know this? You don't know. I think 2 pi r I square. Very right. This will be the. So actually, how it is, how she's able to design. Actually, she's able to think of a sphere which is exactly fitting inside this, having a radius of Ri. Am I right?
Yes.
Are you able to imagine it?
Yes.
Then you're a good girl. Okay. Otherwise, also you're a good girl. Okay, 2 pi Ri square. Now we will not say 3 pi Ri square because it's not a solid and this surface is not generated. Beautiful. 2 into 22 by 7, and what is Ri? 10.5 square. Right? So 10.5 square means 10.5 into 10.5. You can easily find out the answer. Whatever comes, you just multiply that by 16 rupees divided by 100, right? So it will be 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35, 15, right? And then we will get you what? 5 to the 10, 25, 0.3. Right. So guys, this is 10, this is 8. So it's not so difficult now. It's 44, 44 into 3. into 8. I have just assumed it 3. Multiplying by 10, then I will divide also by 10. So it will become 100. So it's very simple. 44 into 3. And, oh, sorry, there's one more figure. 10.5 is also there. Sorry. 44 into 3 into 10.5 into 8 by 100. So it will be how much? So it will be 44 into 24 and that multiply by 10.5, right?
The 10.5 was the diameter. We have to find the radius.
Oh, I'm so sorry. We have done it wrong. Pranav, I'm so sorry. We have done it wrong. So what you can do now?
It's okay, sir.
Find the answer. Don't worry. Find the answer. Then divide this by 2. Then also divide this by 2. Am I right, Sarkun? So whatever you get the answer, just divide by 4. That will be the correct money. It will be right answer. Please do it yourself. Thank you very much, Pranav. We made the mistake. To err is human.
It's
Everyone
okay, sir.
make mistake. Sorry, bache. Now, very good student.
Okay, sir.
But please do all the sums. Don't copy from here and there. And Pranav, write all the answers in comment section. Now, question number 6.
Okay, sir.
Find the radius of the sphere whose surface. Students, we will do this sum. I want to do this sum. Find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is this. So surface area is equal to how much? Radius of sphere 4 pi r square is equal to 154. We want to find out the radius. I will do it. Radius is equal to 154 divided by 4 into 22. 7 will go up, right? So 11 to the 22, 11, 1 the 11 and 4, 14. Right, 11, 14. Fine. So this will be very good. This is simple. 2 sevens are this thing, right? So 7 7 the 49, 49 divided by 4. Very good. So R would be equal to under, yeah, correct, 3.5. Very right, 49 by 4. So it will be equal to 49 root divided by 4 root. What is the root of 49, Adi? Under root of 49 is 7. 7. What is the under root of 4? What is the under root of 4, beta? Huh? You should know. You should know. Okay, good. So chemical treatment plus teaching. Both are going side by side. Under root 4 is equal to 2. So this is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Is it right answer? Very good. All right. Students, we are marching towards not as a contingent, but we are marching towards the end of this. Now, seventh question. Students, seventh question is the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of Earth. Oh, beautiful. Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 diameter of Earth. So we can write this statement. Students, if you want to be good in mathematics, जो भी लिखा है ना उसको मैथमेटिकल लैंग्वेज में लिखना सीखो. ठीक है? Can you tell me, Arman, how I can write this? The diameter of moon, diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of Earth. Can I write it? Suppose dm is the diameter of moon and de is the diameter of Earth. How will I write it? Diameter of moon is means equal to, is 1/4 of means multiplied by. So how will I write? Dm is equal to what? De. Yes, Pranav, can you tell? Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of Earth. Diameter of Earth is dE. So how will I write? Dm is equal to
1/4
1 by 4 DE.
into dE. Pranav, you should answer fast. You are a student of a great school, Cambridge school. 1/4 dE. This is given. So this also means if I divide by 2, this also means radius of moon is also equal to radius of Earth divided by 2. Is it right?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Not radius divided by 2. Radius of moon would be equal to 1/4. That is so that is equal to, it will be equal to 1/4 of radius of Earth. Am I right? Same. Radius of moon is also equal to 1/4 of radius of Earth because 2 both will cancel. If diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of Earth, then radius of moon will also be 1/4 the radius of Earth. Am I right? Okay, now we have to find out ratio of the surface area, right? So let's say surface area. Now their surface area, again, we can find out SM by SE, or we can find out SE by SM. दोनों ही ठीक है. So let's find out SM by SE. So this is equal to, now students, we are doing one mistake in this actually in the calculation. Why? Because moon, Earth is not a perfect square, but we are imagining Earth to be a perfect square.
Not
So
square.
I'm sorry, sphere. I'm sorry, students, sphere. Okay. Anyway, both start with S. Okay. Fine. So S also Sargun. So we have 4 pi r of moon square divided by 4 pi r of, only trick you have to remember is, some students what they do, first they find that total surface area, they do all the complicated calculation 4 into pi, then they calculate this area, then they find the ratio. It's very difficult. Don't do. Let 4 pi cancel with 4 pi. Malai malai nikal gayi easily. हाँ दूध रह गया, तो you take malai not दूध. So Rm by Re. Now Rm square by Re square is equal to Rm by Re whole square. How we got this? Students, 2 square by 3 square is equal to, yes, 2 square by 3 square is equal to, see, power are same. Power are same. So bases will be divided. 2 by 3 whole square. Right down. Okay. But Rm by Re I know. What is Rm by Re? Yes, tell me, what is Rm by Re? By Re means ratio of moon divided by ratio of Earth is equal to, Rm by Re is equal to 1 by 4. Correct. 1 by 4 whole square, so it will be 1 by 16. So ratio of so the surface area of Earth is 2. Surface area of moon would be equal to, yes sir, good. This will be equal to surface area of Earth is to surface area of moon will be equal to,
1 by
you're wrong. It will be 16 by 1.
okay.
Wow. So it will be 16 is to 1. Don't go by our face. We are good actors. All right. Now, students, we simply jump very fast to the 8th question. And if you are able to do 9th question also, we will be called as superhuman beings. Okay. Hemispherical bowl is made up of steel, 25 centimeter thick. See, the thickness is there. And I told you thickness is equal to RO minus RI. Beautiful. That's really great. Wow. So inner radius of the bowl is 5. Ri is 5. Thickness is this. This is thickness. So thickness is 0.25 is equal to Ro minus Ri is 5. So find the outer curved surface area. Beautiful. From this formula, I will get Ro. Ro is equal to, will be 5.25 centimeter. So surface area would be equal to 4 pi r square. Outer surface area would be equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 5. 0.25 into 5.25. So 7 7, it will be 7 point, it will be 0.7, right? Then 5. Am I right? Is it right? 0.7. So 0.75 into 0.75 into 88 into 5.25. Just simply calculate this. Centimeter square would be the surface area. Now, guys, we have perfect management of time and speed, and we do 9 sum. Right, beautiful. Okay, the exercise will be complete. This is right circular cylinder. This is right circular cylinder. Just encloses a sphere of radius r. Beautiful. So this is the sphere. Students, just encloses means the the cylinder is touching the sphere on all sides. So the sphere is, I'm sorry, the cylinder is, I'm sorry, here it's like this. The cylinder is touching the sphere on all sides. Now what is this? This is the radius. This is also radius. So Sargun, what will be the height of the cylinder? Yesterday also you did this mistake. What will be the height of the cylinder?
2.
It will be 2r. It will be 2r. What will be the radius of the cylinder? R. What is the diameter of sphere? It is 2r. What is radius of sphere? R. Beautiful. So now surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere will be, yes, Mansimrat Kaur. Surface area of sphere will be
4 pi r.
4 pi r square. Beautiful. What will be curved surface area of cylinder?
2 pi r square.
Okay, please come. So yesterday also you did this mistake. It's not 4 pi r square, you know. Oh, okay. So, students, so surface, total surface area of the cylinder is how much? 4 pi? 4 pi?
R square.
4 pi r square? Yeah. So he says the curved surface area of cylinder is equal to, yes. One more. Tell me, what is the curved surface area of cylinder?
4 pi r square.
So tell the formula.
2 pi
It is curved surface area is perimeter of base. Remember, perimeter of base into height. What is perimeter of base?
2 pi r.
2 pi r into what is h?
2 r.
Hmm. Understand why you got the punishment? It's 2 r. So it is equal to. So it is equal to
4 pi r.
4 pi r square. Why you spoke slowly? That's why you got this punishment. 4 pi r square centimeter square. Beautiful. Okay. Now second is curved surface area of cylinder. Also we got it. And now students we got ratio of area between 1 and 2. So the ratio will be 1 is to 1. See, curved surface area for both is same. Students, if you would like to have more videos like this, do subscribe our channel Learn CABSC. You know, my humble name, Engineer Omkar Singh. Search this in YouTube. Subscribe it, press bell icon, share with your friends. Enjoy mathematics and never go for competition. All the best. Have a nice time. Do like also. Thank you.